I am going to show you how to create a system restore point on your Windows 10 or 11. This is extremely important because if you ever run into booting problems like the blue screen of death, system corruption, or any issue that prevents Windows from loading to your desktop, then having a restore point can save you instantly. So, I strongly recommend every computer user to create at least one restore point in case Windows did not create it automatically. To do that, come to your search box and type create a restore point and click on it. On this window, if you see this protection turned off, then click on configure, then turn on system protection and click on apply, then OK. From there, click on this create button where you will see this message that says that create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. Now click the create button and name it whatever you like. I recommend using the current date and a short description. So I will use something like this. Today's date, which is 21st November. Computer working smoothly. After that, I'll click create and wait a few seconds. From there, you will get this message saying the restore point was created successfully. And that's it. Your system restore point was created successfully. Now with this, if your computer starts having problems but you can still access this window, then here is how to restore it. First of all, click on this system restore button. Then click next. Then select the restore point that you created earlier. Then click next again. Then finally click finish. From there, Windows will restart and restore your system to that exact working date as if nothing went wrong. Also, your files and data will also be safe, but please do not rely on this alone. Always make it a habit to regularly back up your personal files to an external drive to keep them protected at all times. Finally, why I highly recommend creating a system restore point is because in the future, if your computer faces booting problems like blue screen of death or corrupted Windows files, then you can use the advanced option menu from your Windows to easily restore your computer back to its working state. So if you wish to learn more, then please watch this video you see on your screen. I've also added a link in the description below. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. On this note, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.